Operational aspects of accounting entries. Question 1. In the following statements, which statement is not correct? A. Banking transactions are of two types, cash and non-cash. B. Non-cash transactions can be called transfer transactions or clearing transactions. C. In various transactions, the two accounts involved can be customer accounts or customer and bank accounts. D. None of the above. Answer is D. None of the above. Question 2. Which of the following voucher category is correct in the context of banking? A. A voucher can evidence a debit transaction. B. A voucher can evidence a credit transaction. C. A voucher can evidence both the credit and debit transaction. D. All the above. Answer is D. All the above. 3. When a voucher covers both the transaction, that is debit as well as credit transaction, it is called A. Special voucher. B. Complex voucher. C. Composite voucher. D. Double entry voucher. Answer is C. Composite voucher. 4. Which of the following transaction does not result in creation of a debit voucher? A. Check issued by customer. B. Draft issued by one branch of the bank on another branch. C. Cancellation of draft on request of the customer by the issuing branch. D. Pay-in slip filled by customer for deposit of amount in his account. Answer is D. Pay-in slip filled by customer for deposit of amount in his account. 5. Challan for deposit of money into government account on account of income tax results into A. Creation of a credit voucher. B. Creation of a debit voucher. C. Creation of a composite voucher. D. Any of the above. Answer is A. Creation of a credit voucher. 6. On payment of collection instruments from other branches of the bank, a credit advice, which may be known by different names in different banks, or a copy of the collection schedule received from the other branch may itself be treated as a dash. A. Credit voucher. B. Debit voucher. C. Composite voucher. D. Any of the above. Answer is A. Credit voucher. 7. For which of the following transactions a composite voucher is prepared? A. Bills received for collection. B. Letter of credit issued by the bank. C. Bank guarantee issued by the bank. D. All the above. Answer is D. All the above. 8. If bank wants to rectify an error, which type of voucher will be created? A. Debit voucher. B. Credit voucher. C. Composite voucher. D. Consolidated voucher. Answer is C. A composite voucher. 9. Which of the following features of accounting system in banks is incorrect? A. Posting in the ledger is done directly from vouchers. B. Vouchers are also recorded in book of original entry like cash book or journal. C. Posting in the ledgers is not done from book of original entry as is generally done by non-bank entities. D. None of the above. Answer is D. None of the above. 10. Interest is credited by the bank to the saving bank accounts of the customers. This transaction A. is a transfer transaction. B. is a non-cash transaction. C. involves one bank account and number of customer accounts. D. All the above statements are correct. Answer is D. All the above statements are correct. 11. Accounting system of different banks is different. Which of the following factor is responsible for this? A. Nature of transactions. B. Volume of transactions. C. Information requirements of the stakeholders. D. All the above. Answer is D. All the above. 12. X had deposited a local check for credit to his account. The check is drawn on another bank. On realization of this check, which of the following journal entry would be correct? A. Debit clearing account, credit X account. B. Debit X account, credit clearing account. C. Debit banker account, credit X account. D. Debit X account, credit banker account. Answer is C. Debit banker account, credit X account. 13. Opening balance in the account of Mr. Z is rupees 10,000. Following transactions took place on January 23. He deposited a check of rupees 3,000 for local clearing, which will be cleared next day. A check of rupees 2,000 issued by him from his account is paid from his account. Bank credited interest of rupees 100 to his account. What is the balance at the close of the day? A. Rupees 10,100. B. Rupees 8,100. C. Rupees 11,100. D. Rupees 5,100. Answer is B. Rupees 8,100. Question 14. From his account, Mr. Z purchased a demand draft of rupees 3,000. Which accounts would be affected by this transaction? A. Balance in the account of Mr. Z will decrease and balance in the demand draft account will increase. B. Balance in the account of Mr. Z will increase and balance in the demand draft account will decrease. C. Balance in the account of Mr. Z will decrease and balance in the inter-office account will increase. D. Balance in the account of Mr. Z will increase and balance in the inter-office account will increase. Answer is C. Balance in the account of Mr. Z will decrease and balance in the inter-office account will increase. Question 15. Bank charged interest in the overdraft account of XYZ and Company. Which accounts would be affected and how? A. Balance in the account of Mr. XYZ will increase and balance in the profit and loss account will decrease. B. Balance in the account of Mr. XYZ will decrease and balance in the profit and loss account will increase. C. Balance in the account of Mr. XYZ will decrease and balance in the interest earned account will increase. D. Balance in the account of Mr. XYZ will increase and balance in the interest earned account will decrease. Answer is D. Balance in the account of Mr. XYZ will increase and balance in the interest earned account will decrease. With that, we come to the end of the topic, operational aspects of accounting entries.